What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the use of technology to change the genetic makeup of living things for genetic purposes. Understanding biotechnology. Biotech goes back to domestication of animals and cultivation of the plants. There are many examples of biotechnology, including flowers, biofuels, plants, and animal breeding.
Animal breeding. Animal biotechnology is the use of science and engineering to modify living organisms. A major concern surrounding the use of animal biotechnology is the potential for negative impact to the environment. These potential harms include the alteration of the ecologic balance regarding feed sources and predators, the introduction of transgenic animals that alter the health of existing animals populations, and the disruption of reproduction patterns and their success. The animal biotechnology used today is built on a long history. Some of the first biotechnology in use includes traditional breeding techniques that date back to 5000 BCE. Some techniques include crossing diverse strains of animals to produce greater genetic variety. This is also known as hybridizing. The modern era of biotechnology began in 1953 when American biochemist James Watson and British biophysicist Francis Crick presented their double helix model of DNA. That was followed by Swiss microbiologist Werner Aber's discovery in the 1960s of special enzymes called restriction enzymes in bacteria. The importance of transgenic aquatic animals in our community. When it comes to fish, it is hard to determine if it is genetically modified or not. Your grocery store, farmers, or fish market won't have to tell you whether or not you are purchasing GM fish according to the voluntary guidelines for GMO labeling the FDA proposed when it approved the salmon. The biggest reason stores and restaurants use genetically modified salmon is because of the price. It is cheaper than some wild salmon and more stable compared to wild ones. Another reason would be because there's more fat. Many people prefer the content and flavor of farm-raised salmon. Big grocery chains that have yet to state their official position on the subject are Walmart and Publix.